Hey everybody, it's Lon Seib, and it's time for another unboxing. I got in the new iPad Air the other day. This is the version with the M1 processor, the newest one that just came out. And the last time we looked at the iPad Air was in November of 2020, so this is the new and improved version. It looks a lot like the old one, but again, it's got that faster processor inside. From what I'm reading, they are not slowing it down versus the iPad Pro. So this has the same performance level as the iPad Pro, and it actually has the same processor inside as my MacBook Air with an M1 processor. But it doesn't run Mac OS, it runs iPad OS, which might limit some of the things you can do on it. And we're going to unbox it right now, but then we're going to have a full review to come later. Now, I purchased the blue one, and in full disclosure, I paid for this with my own funds, and all the opinions you're about to hear are my own, and no one has reviewed or approved what you're about to see before this gets uploaded, nor has anyone paid for what you're about to see here either. And I like the blue. It's a little darker, I think, than the iPad I reviewed last year or 2 years ago. So not bad looking there. It's all aluminum in the back, of course. This one, like the prior edition, has the fingerprint reader here at the top, which doubles as the power button. So I will switch it on here. And again, we're going to have a lot more detail in the full review. It's got a USB Type-C port. This is a fully functional port, so you can plug it into an external display. You can also hook up data devices to it and, of course, bring power into it. So if you have a docking station, you can connect that up with it. And, of course, iPads now work with keyboards and mice, too. The display on this is going to be nice, but not as nice as the iPad Pro display. So the iPad Pro has more cameras, it has a nicer display, it has larger screen options, but this one offers a lot, including the same performance. This also works with the Apple Pencil, the second generation Pencil, which connects here to the side to charge. So in many ways, it looks a lot like the prior iPad Air, but as we'll find out hopefully in the full review, it will perform a lot faster. So that's the iPad part. And let's take a look and see what else we get. I should be getting my little stickers in here. I've got a lot of these collected over the years. And you have a quick start guide here for getting started. Now, unlike the iPhone, you do get a power adapter in the box. This is one of those 20-watt faster charging USB-C connectors, or plugs or whatever. So you've got that, and then you have a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging it. This does not use the lightning cable like the entry-level iPad does or some of the older ones out there. This uses the USB-C standard, which is nice to see that standard on at least some Apple products here, so you can charge it up with any USB-C based charger. So that is it for the unboxing. And stay tuned because we're going to be back with a full review of this coming up very soon. So until next time, this is Lon Seib. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Jim Tanis and Tom Albrecht, Hot Sauce and Video Games and Eric's Variety Channel, Brian Parker and Frank Goldman, Amda Brown and Matt Zagaya, and Chris Allegretta. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.